we've been running EOS for about 5 years, and that's done, I think, a lot for our business. And for me, what Birthing of Giants has done is really create even more clarity around elevating our longer term goals. What I think that last week did for me was we know that I need to get there, but I think for me, it's like now there's this magnet pulling me towards this visionary box. And the tools that you provided us last week and exposed us to, I think they're just so next level. It's solidified things like deeper grooves in each of the channels, if you will, around revenue, new product development, like really fundamental things that we've been working on. I think our rocks will probably even be better in Q3 because they're so focused on the 1 year from today. The other thing I just have to say, because I mentioned this previously, like I was a Vistage member and you'd come back after each month and you'd be like, okay, it's day after Vistage and this is really cool and this is really cool. Birthing of Giants is really cool, but it's not taking us in a different direction, right? It's taking us in the same direction, just with more skills. And so it's not like a pivot. It's really just, no, we're doing what we're doing. We have some new tools to be better at it.